Alright guys, today we'll be replacing the turn signal bulb from this to this. It is the Switchback LED. I already have the tail light as turn signal in the back with the resistor, so I didn't need to install a resistor for this. I'll put a link in the description below of the bulbs I use. Alright, we'll start on the passenger side first. What we need to do is rotate that white bulb extension counterclockwise and pull it out. As you can see, the space in there is very tight, so you have to have very small hands, or you need someone with very small hands to get in there, or you have to remove the airbox. I have pretty skinny hands, but it is quite tight. This right side, or the passenger side right here, is actually easier than the driver's side. And we'll nudge the airbox just a bit to get enough clearance to get the bulb holder out. This specific bulb is polarity sensitive, so we'll want to test it first and make sure it's working before we put everything back together. If it doesn't work, simply just flip it 180 degrees. We'll need to line up the bulb holder with the hole. Once it's lined up, we can rotate it clockwise to latch it back on. Alright guys, for the driver's side, it's really the same thing. It's just a bit tighter because of the battery. You certainly can remove the battery, but I didn't feel like doing that. But it was definitely harder than the passenger side because of the tighter space. I use a plastic trim removal tool to help rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise to unlatch it. Alright, we'll want to test it first before reinstalling it. In this case, I do need to flip the bulb 180 degrees. And again, here is the comparison. The driver's side is the original and the passenger side is the upgraded version. And here it is with both sides upgraded. It is quite bright. The turn signal might even be a bit too bright to me. When the turn signal is not flashing, I definitely do like that it is now white instead of amber. Definitely a nice and clean look. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. It just gives me a little bit more motivation to create more VB WRX content.